Oh, hey, I'm Derick. I'm on an engineering path with a focus in mechatronics here at Tulsa Tech. If you find yourself asking, what's that mean? Then you're not alone. Mechatronics is a field of engineering relating to manufacturing that combines together mechanical and electrical engineering with computer science. Easy, right? Okay, but seriously, if you like to work with your hands and fix things, or maybe you're curious about how things run, or maybe you just think that innovation within the world of technology is awesome, then this program is for you. You'll train with state-of-the-art, industry-standard equipment and gain practical hands-on experience. You'll cover how to install, maintain, and troubleshoot electrical, pneumatic, and robotic industrial equipment. You'll learn how to set up automated systems using programmable logic controllers or PLCs and instrumentation principles. The manufacturing industry is growing exponentially everywhere. So if you're looking for a life-changing career, then your starting line is right here at Tulsa Tech.